You all love your cats. But if they are suddenly full of energy and you are trying to get to sleep, it can be a little frustrating. Cats are naturally more active at night time, and your kitty may want to play when you want to rest. Luckily, there are quite a few things that you can do to get your cat to sleep at night. The easiest step is to keep your cat to sleep at night. Try to keep your cat awake longer. If you can keep your cat awake for much of the evening, they may then be tired enough to sleep once it is time for you to go to bed. Playing games with your cats can be very effective in tiring out willing cats. The longer you can keep your cat awake, the more likely they are to crash and sleep when you are sleeping. Cats also tend to fall asleep after they eat, so offering a small meal right at bedtime might encourage your cat to have dinner and go to bed. You can also set up a comfortable cat bed, where your cat can spend the night, but cannot disturb you. Kitty City Cat Tunnel Bed can provide your cat with an interesting place to play. It is also very effective to give a comfortable sleep to your feline friend. The tunnel cat bed combines a soft but structured tunnel with entry and exit points, and has a hanging toy to play. It gives endless enjoyment, whether your cat wants to burn some energy and to sleep comfortably. You can also use automatic cat feeders, because these are very effective if your cat gets hungry in the night. Petlabro Automatic Cat Feeder is a revolutionary device designed to simplify the feeding routine of your beloved feline companion. Connect the feeder to a wall outlet, or install 3 alkaline batteries, and the feeder automatically turns on. Press any button to enter time settings. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this automatic cat feeder ensures that your cat receives the right amount of food at the right time, even when you are not around and during the night time. So by using given tips and products, your cat can get to sleep comfortably at night. But if your cat does not respond to any adjustment, your vet may prescribe a natural sleep remedy or any other medication.